Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil in your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. First, park your vehicle on a flat, level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Next, run the engine until it reaches normal operating temperature, then turn it off. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle back into the oil pan. This preparation is crucial for a precise measurement. Now, open the hood of your Eclipse Cross. Look for a brightly colored, usually yellow or orange, loop or handle, which is your engine oil dipstick. Carefully pull the dipstick all the way out of its tube. Use your clean rag or paper towel to thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the end of the dipstick. This ensures you get a clear and accurate reading on the next step. With the dipstick clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it is fully seated. Wait a moment, then pull the dipstick out one more time. Observe the oil level on the end of the dipstick. You will see two marks, often dots or lines. The oil level should ideally be between these two indicators, showing a healthy oil volume. If your oil level is below the lower mark, you will need to add some engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the correct oil type and viscosity. Add a small amount, about 1/4 of a quart, then wait a few minutes and recheck the level. Repeat this process until the oil is within the safe range. Finally, ensure the dipstick and oil filler cap are securely in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.